Bursa on the handle, 7. Ang kailangan mabuli dito ng kabanan ng KBP. Bursa, quiet on the ball game. Pansermina. Wala pa rin para kay Guyang Malayan. Merchales, looking for a transition. Jersey number 24 for 2. Lumayo bigla. Ang kabanan ng bangus dito. Though we still have 2 minutes and 18 remaining. Bursa. And a pass, Hermina. Back to Burse. 2 minutes and 10. Extra pass, libre. Basket. Okay, 91, 84 as we head on to our last 2 minutes. Solly goes to post. Last 2 minutes brought to you by Jump Rabbits, the Water Sports. Bango, syempre, hindi natin pabayaan ng foul on. Jersey Rostro, AJ Mace. 1 minute and 49 to play. Once again, 1 minute and 49 remaining. Talaga pa naman ang possession na yun sana. Ito na, AJ. Having a lead. Kagamit ng oras dito ang kupunan ng bangus. They have a 10-point lead. Mamaril, guarding Domingo. 10 to shoot. Domingo on the loose ball. That's the first one. Here comes the run. One defender to beat. Hermina. Yes, sir. Kakaunti lang yan. 1 minute and 21. Napakahaba pa. That's an 8-point lead. Diretso tayo. Walang tawag. Once again, Solly. Nag-iisa. Basket again dito. 6 na lang ang abante dito. Unahan ko pa na ng baus. 1 minute and 5 remaining. Jersey number 6, guarding Domingo. Domingo, almost a loose ball. Here comes the pass on the cross court. Solly, well defended. Kick out pass with 55 seconds remaining. 10 to shoot. Someone has to take it. Domingo will force a 3. Too strong on him. Shot clock is set to 14. 45 seconds remaining and we have a foul on Mamaril. Point lead for the Bangus. Second and last. Split charity. Dalawang ball possession. Titingnan natin kung paano mag-a-adjust dito ang opensa ng koponan ng KBP. Burse. Wala pa rin. Riba ng Solly. 35 seconds. Domingo. Basket. 31 seconds.
Maraming polvoron ah.
Burse. Babalik pa to for the Team Bangus. Burse, kick out pass. 25 seconds remaining. Hermina, wala talaga. 20 seconds. Wala pa rin talaga. 18 seconds. Shot clock down to 10. Here comes the Anden and the matchup. Hermina, beautiful guarding that one. For 3. Domingo in and out. Rebound. Out of bounds. Bangus, 80 to 81, 4 minutes and 55 remaining.
Sayang yung eskalada.
Mamaril, back to Hermina. Natabig ang bola at lumabas. 10 to shoot. Domingo, jersey number 10. Denied and that's a clear. Traveling, violation.
Pasok!
Merchales with 4 minutes and 18. Guarded by Hermina. Here comes the pick. Dalawa yung nag-sit ng pick doon. Merchales ang nakakakay, nakapik ang pasa. Solly. Still on the ball. Goes to jersey number 30, Domingo. Forces a 3. 3 minutes and 55 remaining. Hermina. Down by 4, sorry. Extra pass. Almost a miscommunication. Hermina, we have a contact on the ang abante ng kupunan ng Bangus. Jersey number 8, highly contested, and that would be for the Team Bangus. Bonus shot for jersey number 8. And rebound ng Mamaril. 5-point deficit ball game in favor of the Bangus. Under 3 minutes and 15 remaining. Hermina. Taas ng depensa dito ng kupunan ng Bangus. Hermina, not reloading that one. 3 minutes and 10. And we have a steal. AJ, finally with that clear one. Solly, no. Hermina, 3 minutes remaining. To Domingo. Extra pass, denied. Pero nandyan Domingo against Domingo. No, Hermina. Wala pa rin. And Rostro.
Dito lang siya nakapasok.
Basket to Mr. Domingo. Once again, we still have 2 minutes and 47 remaining. Second and last. Time out. La play on Domingo, no. Yes, sir, with the putback. Ten to shoot. Villanueva. No, rebound on Domingo. Sorry. Miscommunication dito. Nakakuha ni Jersey number 02 pero lumabas naman ang bola. The possession will be back for the white team. With 8 minutes and 56. Second game natin. Mag-ready na po kayo. Stretching na kayo team. Jump Rapids Water Sports. And the team PSG. That's under 5'7 category. Ano nangyari rep? Foul. 77-74. Mamarilin traffic goes to Burse. Burse showcasing. Hey Sandel. Will not use the pick. Here comes the kick out pass. Shot clock winding down to 10. Someone has to take it. Mamaril for 3. No. Rebound jersey number 24. Laking bagay. Numero 24 dito for the team Bangus. Almost still. Solly on the gas. Yes sir. 1 point goal game na lang bigla dito. Kanina that's a 27 big point lead for the KBP. Exactly 8 minutes remaining. Burse on the work. And a pass to jersey number 0. White for a while. Here comes the cat. 10 to shoot. 4 shot no. Rebound battle. 7 minutes and 45 remaining. KJ! Ang bumanggagi ba? Abante na. 7 minuto, 30 segundong naiiwan para sa ating huling yugto.
Mr. Bam lang nagdala pala.
Jersey number 0 finds an opening. Hangs in the air with a miss. And the ball, we have a contact. Invitational exhibition game. This is to be followed by the Team PSG and the Jam Rapids Water Sports. Here comes the steal. Kanina pa yung match-up na yan, pero mintis pa rin. Hermina! Talagang kailangan. Si Mr. Hermina rito. Babalik ang kalamangan for the Team KBP. 79-78 at meron pa nga. Tama! Ito po yan later on the team Jam Rapids Water Sports against the Team PSG. While napagad na bakpakan yan. Ito na komentaryo yung traffic.
Patay na, Mr. Rose,
Pintis pa rin yan. AJ back for the ball. And he will be called for that loose ball. And relax lang tayo mga idol. Correctable error yan. The referee stands corrected. Same ball possession ang itatawag natin dyan. 6 minutes and 30. And a 3-point lead for the KBP. May bagyang naging pabayaan ko pa na ng KBP dito. And traffic dyan. But that would be called as a foul. Or second and last. Still on the line for Charles. Tama! King! Mamaril!
Baka pagdating
Depensa.